Greetings everyone. In this video we will learn about how to design a model in COMSOL, export it and slice it in the software Ultimaker Cura for 3D printing. We begin with starting COMSOL, selecting Model Wizard and start working in 3D space dimension. Before you start working on your geometry, the software asks you to select a physics to be applied to the geometry model. You may skip this step for now and directly go to the modeling part by clicking on the button Done. As soon as you do that, a new window appears on the screen with options like Model Builder, Settings and Graphics. To start building a geometry model, go to the tab Component and navigate to Geometry. Right-click on Geometry and you see several regular shapes provided by COMSOL to build a geometry. Either you can use these options to build a geometry or use the import function to import a complex geometry that you think is hard to construct in COMSOL. Let us start by creating a strip for our first printing. Right-click on Geometry and select the option Block. And then select the type of object that you want to construct, either a solid or a surface. The option Surface facilitates the formation of a hollow strip here. For now, I'll select Solid and then enter the dimensions of your sample. If your aim is just to construct a strip, then you may ignore other options for now, but we'll learn about them as we progress in the course. To build the geometry, click on the option Build All Objects. You'll notice in the graphics window that the geometry is being constructed. You can export this geometry by right-clicking on the option Geometry. Select the file type as STL and browse to the location where you want to save this file. Click on the Export button to export your file. Once you have an STL file, open Ultimaker Cura and click on this folder icon to import a file to the software. The FDM based 3D printer Ultimaker supports printing from two materials simultaneously. The first print core here is used to print the main structure, whereas the second print core here is used to print the supports. These options here are to select the material for the print core 1 and print core 2. For now, I will select the material ABS from the available drop-down menu and enable the print core 1. There are several types of nozzles that can be used in the print core to print the material. In the lab, we have AA 0.4 types of nozzles for both the print cores, and hence I select this one. Once you have selected the material, go to Settings and define the print settings. You can either use the settings recommended by the software Ultimaker Cura for printing or define your own parameters. Finally, slice the geometry and save it to the disk. Insert the USB disk in the printer and start printing.